In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a back button on card. Now, the first thing you need to do, of course, is I'm assuming you have some sections, so your website looks something like this, and then whenever you go to the second page using a button or whatever you want to use, once you do that, there's no way to actually go back. You don't have any back buttons over here. Now, of course, you could go back using this arrow over here, but it's much more convenient to actually have a back button. Now, to actually make a back button, what you're going to want to do is you want to go to the page or to the section you want a back button on. So, for example, on this page, this is my second page, I want a back button over here. I'm going to just position myself in here, click the plus icon, add in a button, and this button is going to actually be called back. So if I go up here, I'm going to label it as back. And then what I'm going to do over here where it says the URL, I'm going to have to basically name this hashtag home, because if I click up here to show the sections, as you can see, it's showing the sections, and the home section actually is this first section up here, and this one is the second one, which has the back button. So hashtag home is going to be the first one and the one I want to go to. So click on that, go in here where it says URL, type in hashtag home or whatever it's called, and then click on done. Once you do this, make sure you publish your changes like this, and then once that's done, you can go to visit your site over here, and you'll be able to see whenever I go to the second page with the button to the second page, I can click on back and it's gonna take me back to the previous page. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.